Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing the Forgotten Desert. So we already have one person joined, so we just need two more. So I'm just going to bribe them by saying doing video, which I am doing, but I'm just going to say that because, I want people to join. See? Person joined. Now we need one more. Come on. One more. Okay, we have all four, including me. I guess four, yeah. Alright, so here we go. Let's get started. Say hi or hey. Alright, so what I'm gonna try to go for is upwards and then work my way down. There we go. Everyone's saying hi now. That's good. So I'm just going to play a little bit. So I'm going to get asked some questions. So if you play Amazon, put down your username and I will buddy you and I will gift you something. It probably won't be good, but I'll try. I'll try to find something good. And if also you guys are new subscribers, then welcome. Or viewers. It doesn't matter. And if you are a new viewer and you're not subbed, then please subscribe because there will be more episodes not episodes, sorry. More videos like this. So, yeah. Well, that person buddied me, so I don't know how much space I have, but we'll see. If not, I will just keep you in mind, and if someone unbuddies you, I'll buddy you. But I'll try. Alright. I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to be back when I get up to sometime closer to 25 and 25 and 20 and 15. Alright? Oh, I'm sorry, I also forgot that I wanted to do shoutouts for the people that are playing with me. So, Frozen Rock 056116, Love Her Look, Heart Stand Art, I love her look too, Nice Tetris, you got there, Kawaii Gamer 915, I like her look, but it could be more of a little bit better, but still, I like it. So, I'll come back when I get up to 20. When I get up to 20. Alright, so I kinda already got all 20, so now, we're just gonna watch till the end, so we're not stopping or anything. So yeah, look at that, 23 already. That's pretty fast. 24, need one more. Oh, I don't have my map on, so maybe that's why. Oh dear. Sorry if I say oh dear a lot, it's just how sometimes say oh gosh or something like that. Well, I say oh dear. I know it's kind of old of me, but you know, people just say that. That's just random. Okay, let's go down the big waterfall so we can see if there's some down there. Let's see what it is. Not really good. Unless you want gems. Let's open the ground chest. Actually, you can win stuff from there. So don't just be saying that you can't do that or something like that. Hopefully we get a spike, or at least a beta. Because you know what? I haven't had something like that happen to me in quite a while. I'd be really happy if it happened during a video. So then it would be interesting. Right guys? Yeah. Just remember to comment your username so I can gift you something or something like that, what I got from the adventure. And if I get a spike in this video or in the next video, I will be giving it away for a really, really good masterpiece. So if it has like very beautiful like drawing, I will be giving it away. But if it has to be a bad short, or like you know what, if it's a red long and a decent then or a really good one, then I won't be giving that away because I am going to be giving away for when I get to 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a black long if I get one. But since I'm not up there yet, I will not. So, gotta wait. Gotta be patient. Alright. I would probably do a live stream or something like that. And yeah. Or, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Quite some time should be getting quite soon. I'm just going to skip ahead, and when I get it, I will show you guys. Alright, so we got the blue. Dragon wings, not that bad. We got 15 now. Diamond ring, not bad, not bad, but we need something better than that. So, let's see. This line pop person. Ooh, Cleo. What for her spike? I don't know. Really tissue. Alright. Canary. Ooh, you got a headdress. So, I guess I will see what I have. So, I have this. Alright, I'm gonna delete some stuff so I can get some money. Let's see if I'm gonna check if sapphire ring and diamond ring are in stores. And what if they're not, then what are they worth? So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I just figured out that it is not in store. So I'm gonna end this right here. So well, goodbye. Thank you for watching and subscribe.